Hello Myntra beauty fam, I hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to Myntra's beauty channel. Now I love taking care of my skin and I know you do too. With changing seasons, it's important to change your skincare routine as well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my winter skincare must-haves, and of course, I bought all of these incredible products from Myntra. I'm going to leave all the links to all the products in the description for your convenience. And without further ado, let's quickly dive right into my product recommendations. So the products that I have here are extremely versatile and will work on most skin types. I also wanted to give you options for your winter AM and PM routine. My first product recommendation is a cleansing balm, and what I have here is the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. One of the most lightweight makeup removers that dissolves even the most toughest of makeup and breaks down sunscreen so effectively. This solid balm melts into a non-greasy oil on application. Now this is an alcohol, fragrance and essential oil free formula, hence it's going to work great on sensitive skin condition as well, or if you have hyperpigmentation and looking for a good cleansing balm for yourself. I love this because it's versatile and it's great for all skin types. For face wash, I have my holy grail from Simple, the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash. It is so gentle on the skin, simple formulation, but does the job of cleansing your skin so well. This is one of the most non-stripping face washes I've tried, formulated with provitamin B5, vitamin E and a gentle surfactant. It cleanses so effectively. Now this face wash is great for all skin types and you can shop this through the link in description. My next product recommendation is the Nat Habit Rose Water. A good pure rose water will not just be the best toner for your skin, but also maintain the pH of your skin like no other. It calms any sort of irritation or inflammation and heals acne. I can't stop using this one, a new favorite. Now this is a fresh steam distilled rose water and I love using this during the day to refresh my skin. Niacinamide is a superstar ingredient and I love including it in the form of a serum in my skincare routine, and I love this one from Minimalist. Niacinamide is so versatile that it fights acne, fades dark spots, it's an anti-aging ingredient, it evens out your skin tone and also maintains your skin barrier. This 10% niacinamide serum is formulated with zinc PCA, sodium hyaluronate, allantoin and a powerful antioxidant EUK134, a great lightweight yet effective formula. It's not possible that I talk about winter skincare must-haves and not talk about this serum. I'm talking about the cult favorite Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is a cult favorite for a reason. One of my favorite products to include, especially in my winter skincare routine. It hydrates and plumps up skin like no other. It is a popular serum for a reason, expensive but results are very real. Formulated with some great humectants, emollients and moisturizing ingredients, it is a great route to a plumper looking, healthier skin. Now even though the name suggests that it's a night repair serum, you can of course use it in your AM routine as well. I love using this under makeup. My next product recommendation would be an under eye cream. Now my under eyes tend to get very dry in the winter season, so I like something that hydrates my under eye area and also works on puffiness. I like this eye cream because it's super duper hydrating and nourishing and works very well under makeup too. I'll leave the link for you in the description to shop. For moisturizers, I have two product recommendations. The first one is the Chetali Moisturising Lotion. Extremely lightweight, non-greasy formula, great for anyone who has normal, combination or dry skin. If you're sensitive skin condition, you will love it because it doesn't irritate the skin. This moisturizer helps restore skin's natural barrier, hydrates well without feeling greasy. This is a formula that you can use on a daily basis without clogging pores. Then I have something for oily acne-prone skin. This is the Minimalist Calm Moisturiser. It hydrates really well without feeling heavy or greasy on the skin. This one's formulated with squalane, glycerine, panthenol and vitamin E. Again, very lightweight and nourishes skin very well while balancing skin's hydration. Whatever the season may be, a sunscreen is a must-have in your morning skincare routine. What I'm going to recommend to you is something that I've fallen in love with. This is the Fix Derma Shadow SPF 50. You get PA++ rating here and also broad spectrum. It's a superb lightweight formula that blends seamlessly into the skin. This is one of the best sunscreen that I have used this year. This is a very lightweight formula and has no white cast. Even though it has a bit of a fragrance, this is one of the best budget-friendly sunscreens I have tried. And lastly, how can we forget chapped lips? The best way to hydrate your lips is a great hydrating lip balm, and what I have here is the very popular Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Even though the name suggests that it's a sleeping mask, you can actually use it in the daytime as well. This also leaves a beautiful glossy finish on your lips. And of course, you will find the link to shop in the description. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and were able to pick out some products that you'll be including in your skincare routine this winter season. You will find all the links in the description for your convenience. If you want to see more incredible beauty content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Until I see you next, guys, have a wonderful holiday season. Lots of love. Bye-bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.